We're gonna try to do this Jamie Foxx
Sorry, you about to be some more on this one.
fall for your type. Can I save you from you? Cause you know there's something missing in that champagne you've been sipping's not supposed to make you different all the time. Starting to feel like the wrong thing to do, girl. Cause with all that recognition, it gets hard for you to listen to the things that I might say to make you mine. But live, girl, have some fun, girl. We'll be fine. Trying to convince myself I have found one. Making the mistakes I never learned from. I swear I always fall for your type, yeah, for your type. Tell me why I always fall for your type, for your type. I just can't explain this shit at all. No, I just can't explain this shit at all. Yeah. So who am I to judge you on your past, girl? I bet there's a reason for it all. You say you are nothing like the last girl. I just pray that you don't let me down right now. It's too late, I'm already yours. You just gotta promise me hearts won't break and end up like before. I always fall for your type, yeah, for your time. Can you tell me why I always fall for your type? Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, I just can't explain it. Why do I always fall for your type? Jamie Foxx, fall for your type.